Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. For those of you new here, my name is Rochelle and today I'm going to show y'all how I achieve this look. So let's get right into this. So I got 6-pack of hair off Amazon, and all the supplies that I'll be using will also be linked in the description down below. I did get some accessories as well, and I will also be using some rubber bands. I did oil to the rubber band just so it wasn't so harsh on my hair, and let's get right into this. And I did get the hair off Amazon. I got the passion twist and the 36-inch soft lock, and the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to start separating it. I used 2 individual pieces and then I began to separate it. Next, I'm going to separate my hair. I will be adding some tonic water that I made to my hair because my hair is a little bit dry at this point, and I'm going to just go ahead and section that off. And then I'm going to take that little loop on the crochet hair, make it bigger, and then I'm going to go ahead and make a knot with the rubber band with the crochet hair. Next, I'm going to take the rubber band and I'm going to basically make like a little small ponytail around my natural lock. You can also tie knot it on your lock. It's really up to you. I decided not to do it too tight because I don't want to apply too much tension to my hair, and then you should have 2 different loops. Next, I'm going to take the passion twist that I prepared and I'm going to start wrapping it around my hair. And I'm going to start wrapping at the base first, and trust me, it is very simple. I'm just holding it as tight as I can so it doesn't slip, and I'm just wrapping it around the base. And I am going to show you this several times throughout the video so that you're able to see exactly what I'm doing. I am just wrapping it at the base, and then once I feel as though the base is secure, I'm going to start wrapping it down, and I'm going to continue to do that until I reach the end. Okay, once I reach the end, I'm going to keep wrapping it, and then I'm just going to rub it together just so that it can be secured. And that is all I did for all of my locks. I wrapped it at the base about 4 to 5 times. Really depends on how I felt, whether or not it was secure. And I'm going to show you guys again several times throughout the video. So I'm going to do another explanation just so you guys understand exactly what I'm doing. After you make the knot with the rubber band, you're going to make a small ponytail around your lock. You're going to get the hair that you already prepared, and you're going to make sure that one side is longer than the other, and then you're just going to continue wrapping it around the base 4 to 5 times, whatever worked for you, and then you're just going to continue wrapping all the way to once you reach the end, you're just gonna put the hair in your palm, rub it together, and then it should be secure. I rubbed it together about 5 times. It really depends on if I felt like it wasn't secure, and that's it. It's very simple to accomplish. This is how it looks once you get a lot more done. You start to see it looks more locky, and it has that nice beautiful look going on. It did take me about 5 to 6 hours to do my entire head. I did take a lot of breaks, and I did move really slow at some times, and I ran out of hair. But all in all, I was really happy with the results. I loved it, and it was a great birthday look. And I'm going to show you guys one more time how to do it just so that you feel secure. So once I was finished, I went ahead and added some more tonic water to my hair just to make my roots feel a little bit better. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some oil as well to my scalp. This is the final result. Yo, I love how it turned out. When I tell y'all I was rocking it for my b-day, y'all, it is so nice. Thank y'all so much for watching this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.